Welcome to another video. You need to add the template to your workflow. Simply navigate to the Template tab and search for the template you are looking for. You can find the template name inside the n8n node. There is a complete guide available inside Workflow. In the Try It Out node, you can find the BrowserAct template name for this video. Right there, it's funding announcement to lead list. Using the template is really easy. Just click Create from Template. I have more videos about this if you need them. Okay, let's get to the BrowserAct agent. It's really simple. We just need the keywords. We're also getting this data from the n8n input, so no changes are needed here. After that, we create a custom search link, and then loop inside the pages to get data from the newsfeed. The tricky part with n8n is adding the BrowserAct node from community. I've already created a video about how to use the node and how to add it, but let's quickly show it here as well. Just go to Settings, and from the Community tab, add the n8 node we created. I'll add the link to the description. The node is free to use and completely safe. You can even check the code yourself. I might update the nodes in the future, but for now, it's working perfectly. Okay, let's get back to the workflow. We're getting data from the Google Sheet, and we have 3 columns, 2 for keywords and 1 for locations. We get the data and send it into a loop. This means you can add as much as you want, and it'll read it all from the Google Sheet. Then, it sends that data to the BrowserAct node. That node runs the task, and the second node just waits until the job is done. After that, it gets the data from the BrowserAct agent. We run both nodes for both series of keywords. By doing this, we can make sure we reduce faulty data and the false positive alerts we receive at the end of the workflow. We merge the data and send it into the AI. The AI's job is easy. It just checks the data to see if they're investing in something or not. Then, it identifies the investing field and sends that to the output. We use the code node to separate the items, and we also use structured output to help reduce the error rate. Then, we will add it to the Google Sheet and send the Slack notification. We keep doing this loop until all the data is extracted. The Google Sheet node adds data to each specific field and uses the company field for comparison. While you could use automatic data adding because we're using structured output, this method is cleaner. Our final result looks like this. Congratulations! You've created your data lead. Now you can use it to update your blog. In the future, we'll teach that template too, so you can easily automate updating your site.